Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off clipboard history on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off clipboard history on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option Clipboard. Click on Clipboard. The first option is Clipboard History and it's turned on right now. Just click here to turn it off. Now Clipboard History is turned off on your Windows 11 computer. Look, I am going to test. Press Windows key and V. Look, there is no clipboard history here and it's prompt you to turn on the clipboard history. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.